stop Instagram from auto zooming and cropping photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. Also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now, in order to stop Instagram from auto zooming and cropping photos, first of all, tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on any picture that you would like to have it on your device. So let's just select to post and then tap on next. And as you tap on next, here you can see this icon over here. So this generally selects the size or the custom size of this picture. So you can either select whichever mode you would want. So if you want the fuller size, you can just tap on it, and if you do not want the fuller size, you can tap it again. So this, when you do this, you will be able to stop Instagram from auto zooming and cropping the photos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.